Okay, now you know the 4 steps how to find the instant center. Let's take a practice at this example, 2A10. If you look at this drawing, we have 3 rigid bodies, OA, AB, and BD. 3 rigid bodies, and there must be 3 instant centers. Before you apply those 4 steps, and you may want to figure out the easy instant centers first. So what are the easy instant centers? Look at, are there any points that's connected to the wall or ceiling, right? We have that point O is connected to the ground. That must be an instant center. But whose instant center? And that must be the instant center for the rigid body that's connected to that point, which is rigid body OA. So please label OA. Right, another instant center must be point D, right? Point D, it's the instant center for this rigid body, which is BD. Okay, now we're left with, where's the instant center for AB? To figure that out, let's apply the 4 steps. First step is to find 2 points A and B on the rigid body that you know the direction of velocity. So this is the rigid body. We're trying to find the instant center. We need to find 2 points that we know velocity. Here we only have 2 points A and B here. And do you know the velocity at those 2 points? Yes, you do. Because to figure out the velocity at point A, you already know where's the instant center for OA. And that's point O. So A is rotating about point O in this circular motion. And the direction of velocity at point O must perpendicular to this connection line OA. Must going up and down, that's VA. Yeah. You can use the same way to figure out where's the direction of velocity at point B, because we know instant center of BD, which is point D. And same deal, direction of velocity at point B gonna be perpendicular to its connection from B to its instant center. So make sure those lines are perpendicular. I want to see that 90 degrees there. 90 degrees. Okay. And so that's step 2. Draw the direction of velocity at 2 points. Step 3. Sorry, we just did step 1. So step 2 is to draw lines perpendicular to those velocity vectors. Let's start to draw lines perpendicular to those velocity. Make sure you know which one is the velocity. This is VB, this is VA. So we want to draw lines perpendicular to those velocity directions. In this case, it would be just the extension for the BD and line OA. All right. Now we finished step 3. Sorry, step 2. We draw the lines that's perpendicular to the velocity vector. Let's look at step 3. We want to find the intersection of those 2 lines. Intersections about those 2 lines. We don't have an intersection. So we need to jump to step 4. If we don't have intersection, those 2 lines are parallel. That means what? That means there's no rotation, and which means instant center for this rigid body AB, it's at infinity. There's no rotation. That's it. That's how you apply those 4 steps to find out instant center. All right, you want to give a try for this example. I believe you can. Give it a try.